Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing of September's box. So it's pretty full, like fat. Like, I don't know if you can tell here, but it's like kind of rounded out here. So I'm curious to see what's in this box. Nice. Got pretty yellow, forgot what you call these. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is what's taking up most of the room. It's a Pentelic 4 value pack sketchbook set. So it says 365 draw everyday sketchbook. Join our 365 challenge. Draw every day for a year. That's really cool. So it's a 4-pack. That's what's taking up most of the room in this box. We also have a sharpener, some Pentelic illustration pens, and there's 3 sizes, 0.1, 0.3, and 0.5. Sorry guys, my son is so loud in the background. Can you close the door? We have 2 Derwent pencils. One is in brown ochre. The other is ruby earth. I've always wanted to try these Derwent drawing pencils in the muted colors. So I'm really excited about that. This box is pretty jam-packed. Here we have some drawing pencils. There's 6 shades. They're Pentelic also. So there's an 8B, 6B, 4B, 2B, HB, and a 2H pencil. And it's got swatches on the back. This is a really nice metal tin. I would love to redo this tin and turn it into a watercolor palette. Some blending stumps. 2 little mini ones. And some Faber-Castell. A kneaded eraser. I love kneaded erasers, guys. If you've never tried kneaded erasers, you have to. They are the best. They're like self-cleaning. All you do is like stretch it out. They're really awesome. And then we have our card. So guys, this is a pretty nice box, I would say. Just by the sketch, if it came with just one sketchbook, I would have been like, what's going on this month? So September premiere pack draw everyday challenge, Pentelic 365 sketchbook pack. So it says that this 4-pack is retailed at $29.99. How do you develop a habit of daily sketching? First, you are going to need a lot of paper. With this 4-pack of sketchbooks, you will have 640 pages to help you pursue the goal of creating art every day. It doesn't matter whether you have an hour or 10 minutes. The challenge is simply to pick up your sketchbook once a day. Need some inspiration? You can visit at Pentelic 365, where they suggest prompts on a monthly basis and post art from those participation in the challenge. So we have our drawing pencil set of 6 is retailed at $6.99. Now I really wish the Paletteful packs would stick to this pricing, how they show the prices of everything, because it's like on and off every month. So I'm really excited to see that this month. So it says that this pencil set of 6 is retailed at $6.99. The drawing pencil set includes for varying degrees of graphite, which I already told you guys the different types of pencils that are in there. The Pentelic illustration pen set of 3 is retailed at $6.99 also. That's this here. So it says that this 3-pen set is perfect for sketching, drawing, illustration, journaling, and more. Pigment and water-based ink is acid-free, fade-proof, and waterproof. And then it says the sizes, which I already went over. The Derwent drawing pencils, red and earth tone. These traditional round artist pencils have a soft and creamy texture. I am so looking forward. Look at the core, guys. The core is so thick. It's a really nice pencils. They look really good. I can't wait to try it. I love the fact that they threw in those two colors, muted colors, to go with like all these pencils and black pens. So it says, the easy to apply waxy consistency produces a smooth velvety finish on paper, and an extra wide 5mm color strip is ideal for blending. Faber-Castell kneaded pencil is, eraser. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm like tongue-tied today. It's retailed at 95 cents. This kneaded eraser works great for lightening and correcting charcoal, pencil, and pastel works. The erasers are easy to knead, absorbent, and leaves no residue. Art Alternatives Blending Stumps. These are retailed at $169. Excellent for blending and smoothing pastels, charcoal, graphite, or any other dry media. Double-ended, pointed, and made from soft gray paper. And then last is the MAPE 2-hole pencil sharpener, is retailed at $249. And it doesn't say any information about it. It's pretty self-explanatory. There should be 2 holes. Yeah, there's a bigger and a smaller hole. I'm most excited, guys, about these Derwent pencils. They look amazing. I don't know that I'll be able to do this 365 challenge. It would be nice if I could draw every single day. But guys, this is what made this package so huge and heavy. 4 really big, thick books, sketchbooks. Let's go ahead and bust one open. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this box. I'm like so behind, guys. I didn't even do a video. I did record a video, an unboxing of last month, but I was not able to post it. I didn't finish it. I didn't do any artwork with the supplies. So it's weird the way they have this package. Looks like I gotta break this. I don't know that I would do a drawing every single day. If you want to get good at drawing, better at drawing, that's what you have to do. Like, this is a perfect challenge for you. Anyone, no matter what level you're in, can benefit from drawing every single day. I just wish I had the time. Maybe I should start carrying this to work and stuff. So it's really nice. It looks like ivory. It doesn't look white. It has like a yellowish tint to it. Does it say what color it is? No, it doesn't. But yeah, it's like, it has like a yellow tone. Like, you could probably see. I really want to try these Derwent pencils. Oh, and they're, they have like these little, so you can tear it out, which is kind of cool, but kind of not cool, because like you'll lose your papers and stuff. They can easily come apart. Oh, these pencils are so nice. I really want to get the whole full set of these. I've been wanting to. They're so nice and creamy. Really soft. These pencils are really nice, guys. I'm so excited to get these. Just because I haven't tried them. And here's the other color. What color is this again? Brown ochre. Let me color softly. Guys, it's so hard to do a video without my kids making tons of noise. I know you guys are probably sick of me saying that, but it really holds me back from doing videos sometimes. Yeah. So that is everything in this box. I'm going to try to do a time-lapse drawing for you guys. Let's try out this eraser so you guys can see. I love kneaded erasers. Like, I really, really do. They are my favorite. And you don't have to use it all as one piece. You can just break off like half or what have you. I haven't used one of these in a while, so I'm gonna break it in half. And I'm gonna save the other half. My daughter's trying to get the other half. I don't think so, young lady. My daughter has been going into my art room and taking my supplies. I've been really upset with her, especially since I buy her so much stuff. See, Maya would have gave you one of these sketchbooks. Now you gotta earn it. So you can kind of like lift. This Derwent pencil erases pretty well. My son is going nuts. So you see where it's dirty? You just, it's so self-soothing to mess with it. But that's how you clean it. And then you can shape it to, like, let's say you need to erase something that's like really, really tiny. You can mold your eraser to really tiny and erase like that. Or a really big. So yeah, these are really cool. My daughter wants to touch it. Go ahead, baby. Alright guys, so that's it for this unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and try to do a time-lapse drawing for you guys. If I don't, I apologize. I just really want to get this video out. But comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this box once again. Let me know if you think it's worth the money. Once again, this is the, I think they call it the deluxe box. And it's priced at $36. I think I got well worth my money. Alright guys. Alright guys, so this is the drawing, little speed drawing that I came up with. Just wanted to show you once again how you can use this eraser to create highlights on your piece. I didn't lay down too much charcoal, but kind of lifted up too much here. But yeah, this is my piece. Just a really quick sketch. This eye's starting to look crazy to me. I messed it up. But these pencils are really nice. They're soft. Especially the B's. They're really smooth. I love the eraser. This paper is really nice. So if any of you guys are interested in participating in the 365 Draw Every Day Challenge. You're more than welcome to join. I don't think that I would be able to stick to the full 365 days, but I definitely will attempt to draw every day and try to at least fill up one of these sketchbooks. I'm so used to like using my fingers, which probably isn't the best thing to do with, you know, all the oils and stuff that we have on our hands. But it feels so weird using a blending stump. I have used it plenty of times before, but you know, when you're just kind of used to doing how you do things. Alright guys, so that's it for this video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.